Hi everyone, this is Akarsh from Dio. When I created Dio Node, I wanted to make a speaker that was so simple and easy to use that anyone could do it. So today I'm going to show you how to set up Dio Node and just how simple it really is. Now the first step is, of course, to plug the speakers into power. You'll see a white light start blinking on the back of the speaker. This means the speaker is booting up. Once the speaker light starts blinking red, press and hold the plus and minus buttons for 2 seconds. Next, go to the Wi-Fi settings on your iOS device. You will see the speaker at the bottom of the menu. Tap on the speaker to begin setup. Name your speaker, select the Wi-Fi network you want to connect it to, and click Next. Now, just wait while your iOS device finishes configuring the speaker. Once it's complete, click Done. You may see the speaker still listed in your Wi-Fi menu right now, but you can ignore it as it will disappear in a few moments. And that's it! Dio Node is now ready to use. Happy jamming!